Hey, welcome back. So I did a mod to the drift. I added a longer XT30 so it will be easier to connect the battery to the drift. And after I put it back together, it flew like shit, and it took me, because I was busy, a few days to figure that out. Once I figured that out, I did a long range mission, as you guys see here. Was at lower altitude, so I was pretty far out. I reached about 2.5 miles out. I was lower altitude than I normally would be this far out, and I lost video completely, as you guys see here. And then soon after, my radio was freaking out, spamming these words.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered. Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Now, I wasn't too worried. I was freaking out slightly. I did get video back after a few minutes, but I don't know if it was my 5G and my new phone that was messing it up. My antenna is kind of at a wacky angle and mounted wacky, but I just never had that before. I mean, I was also at a lower altitude. I was at 100 milliwatts on my ELRS, but I just don't know why it was kind of spamming me every maybe 30 seconds. Telemetry lost, or sooner. Telemetry lost, telemetry recovered, and such like that. I don't know why, but I trust my equipment. I trust that it knows to come home when telemetry is lost, or not telemetry, when signal's lost, and when I say so. Now, I did also have the plane kind of tail heavy, and as you guys see here, it's just, actually, I don't know why I started doing this. Just to start freaking out. I wasn't looking at my when it started doing that. I wasn't looking at my goggles. I was looking at my watch, playing some music, and I looked at my goggles and it was doing that. I started freaking out. So I will fix my CG back to normal. It had more tail weight because I had a camera on top of it, but I'm not doing that again, and I never removed that tail weight. That's probably why I was flying like weird, but it did alright for literally most of the mission until the end. Don't know why.